everyone, welcome back to Lori's Tech Time. It's been a while since I posted anything, but I have this RGB luminous mouse pad, and I've been saving it to unbox for y'all. So it looks pretty cool. I got it off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description box below. Alright, I'm gonna open it up now. I got the white one. Before I turn the lights on it, this is how it looks on my desk. It's pretty big. I like how big it is. I thought it would be a cool background to unbox stuff. I can keep it clean. And I'm gonna go plug it in. So it's easy. USB. Ooh. Oh, it's got a lot of pretty colors. Alright, so there it is. What do y'all think of it? You think it's gonna look cool when I'm unboxing stuff? It's a nice little gadget from the disc. It has a couple of spots on it though, so it's gonna be difficult to keep clean. But I'll probably do another review on it after I used it a few times. See how it does. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed and give this video a thumbs up. And put in the comments if you think you would use something like this or not. Let me know. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.